dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello viewers, welcome to today's news. The headlines: Yaya Bello vowed to punish commissioners and members of his cabinet who betrayed him during Kogi election. Next after this, we have the appeal court sacks Plateau Governor Caleb Motwang. But before I carry on with this news, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is the first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation lively in our comment section. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers, feel relaxed, enjoy and stay connected. The outgoing governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello, has vowed that the member of his cabinet, including commissioners who allegedly betrayed him during the November 11 governorship election in the state, he said that they will never go unpunished. The All Progressive Congress candidate, Usman Dodo, was declared the winner of the governorship election, beating his contenders Dino Milali of the People Democratic Party and Muri Ajaka of the Social Democratic Party. Yaya Bello, the outgoing governor, speaking during a closed-door meeting with APC stakeholders in Lokoja on Saturday, November 18, expressed his anger at the cabinet members, accusing many of them of their alliance of betraying him because of his choice of Ododo as his successor, despite everything he did for them. Yaya Bello described the alliance as enemies within, plotting with the opposition party to pull him down. He said that he was busy fighting known enemies, not knowing that enemies within were busy pulling him down, that God will punish them all, that they were also busy conniving and conspiring with the opposition parties, saying that it can't be Yaya Bello and it can't be Ododo. They call themselves leaders, but they were misleading the people, telling them that it can't be Yaya Bello and it can't be Ododo. Yaya Bello said that shame unto them all. He also warned that if he ever hears that the leaders threaten any of their subordinates, that he would deal with them severely. The governor pointed a direct finger at a senator from the state who he said that was wrecked by his brothers before him, revived him from his alleged financial bankruptcies. Today, he is the second-term serving senator. He was laughing with them while he went behind to text opposition messages to hinder his party from having 25% in some local governments. For APC, the truth is their worst enemy. They don't like to hear that. Tinubu came and everything became worse. The corruption then has become so invisible. If the last election wasn't gone about the supposedly candidates using tribe and religion as campaign tools, then by now Nigeria should be talking about revolution. The hardship is intense right now, and those our leaders don't even care. It's just quite annoying no one is reacting to this situation, and we are allowing it to continue. How can we continue suffering like this and the government don't have single feeling? I hope INEC Nigeria can see this, that even the kitchen cabinet of this man didn't even vote for his preferred candidate, which is obvious that he lost the election and you guys declared him the winner. This is how a nation is being turned into a jungle and anarchy. Everyone in every state wants to become Jagaban. Buhari left Nigeria debt at 77 trillion and Tinubu already moved it to 87 trillion in just 5 months. Since he grabbed the power, no road has been constructed, no block has been laid down, no development anywhere in the country, no single visible project or achievement. They have been borrowing money in our names to share among themselves. They keep on expanding ministry and appointments, yet keep on saying that Nigeria is broke. And these are supposedly leaders. We are so far behind. When are we going to get freedom in Nigeria? When they are busy recruiting APC candidates from one state to another state. They want to turn Nigeria to an APC zone, and godfatherism has to be bound, honestly. So guys, let's know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinion in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The appeal court sitting in Abuja on Sunday, November 19, nullified the election of Caleb Motwang as the governor of Plateau State. In an unanimous judgment led by Justice Okung Abang, the appellate court ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission to withdraw his certificate of return and hand it over to the All Progressive Congress governorship candidate, Natawi Yetwanda. The judgment comes after the Governorship Election Petition Tribunal earlier sitting in Gbos dismissed network petition challenging Governor Motwang's declaration as the duly elected governor of Plateau State. The appeal court on Sunday ruled that the tribunal was in error when they said that the appellant lacked the right to contest the conduct of the election. Justice William set aside the judgment of the tribunal, which affirmed the election of Governor Motwang, describing it as highly incompetent. According to the court, they said that the decision of the tribunal to dismiss the petition filed by the APC and its candidate on the ground that the duo had no business meddling in the affairs of the People Democratic Party, on which platform Motwang was elected, is in breach of Section 177 of the 1999 Constitution as amended and Section 134C of the Electoral Act. The court also said that, contrary to the decision of the tribunal, that the issue contained in the petition filed by the appellant were pre-election matters. They were both pre-election and both post-election matters and could not have been deemed status barred, citing Section 177 of the Constitution. The panel noted that Motwang was not validly sponsored by the PDP during the election. They said that it was heard that the party violated the court order that a valid congress should be conducted in the 17 local government areas of that state. So by conducting congress in only 5 local government areas of the state, such is a nullity. So now the level be this now. Courts now determine the winner of election in Nigeria, not people's vote again. Hey, this oppression and injustice will not be neutral in situation of injustice. We are losing our democracy. APC remain Nigeria's biggest mistake, honestly. Revolution is cooking slowly. The judiciary are now the new politicians in this country. APC unanimously building their cartel and taking over opposition stronghold on top terrible leaders. Hey, we have to fasten our seatbelts, honestly. Do they want to claim all the states in Nigeria? They want Nigeria to become a one-party system? Renewed hope indeed. On our mandate, APC just want to take Nigeria election and judiciary 20 years backwards. All this ruling here and there, they should be very careful before it will be end judiciary. Let's bring back Africa to the days when deity were the last hope of a man, not the judiciary, because then justice always prevail. So guys, let's know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinion. Your contributions are in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out on the trending and latest news happening on social media. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. Really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye.